Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Am I
Yeah,
audible
hi.
to you?
Yeah, you are audible. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are.
Okay, how are you?
I'm doing exceptionally well. Thank you so much for asking. And what about you?
I'm also good. Can you introduce yourself as we are meeting for the very first time?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Yes. So, as you know, my name is Mampi Chakraborty. I'm from West Bengal, and I'm a homemaker and mother of a wonderful daughter. She is 5.5 years old. And if I talk about my qualification, I have completed my master's twice. First time in Sanskrit language and second time in work education. And
Mhm.
nowadays I'm pursuing teacher training course. At the same time, I'm learning English language. And earlier, I used to be a teacher in a private school that was a Bengali medium school. So I want now to join a English medium school. That is why I'm learning English language. And if I talk about my hobbies, so now hobbies became my passion. So whatever needed for learning English, I do in my free time. So this became my hobbies now.
Wow, very
This is
happy
a
to
little
hear
about.
about you that you are
Thank you so
learning also at the time, and that's really great. Okay, let
Thank you
me
so much.
introduce myself. My name is Pallavi Dhingra, and I'm an English trainer by profession. I have been teaching online for almost more than 10 years, and I am from Delhi, and I really love to teach. And this is all about me. If you have anything in specific, you can ask me up.
Yeah, no, ma'am. When I knew that I am going to connect with you, I felt really happy that okay, I will get finally chance to connect with you. Really, yeah,
Really? I'm glad to
yeah,
hear that.
yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, so you tell me like how the things are going on. Like how is your English journey going on?
Actually, it is going so I can say because I'm doing multiple things at a time. So during daytime, I'm occupied with multiple tasks. Like I have to manage my household chores at the same time looking after my daughter, and then I'm helping my husband's business as well. So during day, it's not possible to practice, but at night, I'm doing. But if no last from December, I have started taking that classes, teacher training classes. That is why I'm occupied with these things also. So I'm not getting much time, but for maintaining consistency for speaking practice, at least 30 minutes, 40 minutes, whatever convenient time I can save, I'm practicing. So this is
Yeah,
my practice nowadays. Yeah.
that is good. So what do you practice in those 30 to 40 minutes?
Yeah, if I have more than 40 or minute, then I prefer to group discussion. Like there are multiple WhatsApp groups where I connect, I talk with people. So regarding any kind of topic, they discuss and we share our opinion. Like this, I'm practicing. If I have like only 30 minute or 20 minute, then I go with one-on-one conversation because if I join any group session, then I have to wait for a long time and maybe I will get only 3 minutes to 4 minutes for speaking. So I prefer to one-on-one conversation. And apart from that, I also have a small YouTube channel, and there for no, for that I connect with people and record my session and I upload on that channel. So these things are
Okay.
I'm doing. Yeah, simultaneously I'm improving.
Okay. So like you are talking to the people and you are improving yourself.
Yes,
That's really great because I always say speaking comes with speaking only. So the more you will speak, the more you will talk, the better you will become.
exactly, ma'am. You're absolutely right.
Yeah. So
So,
when you
ma'am,
started, yeah, please speak
hmm.
up.
Yeah, just I have I mean, great opportunity to connect with you. Then I have a lot of doubt on me, so I want to clear at the same time. So,
Yes, please.
it's been like from last this December to till now. I'm not before December. I used to speak like only speaking practice I did for 1 hour, 1.5 hours, sometime 2 hours. So I saw my improvement at that time. And now, because I'm not, speaking much, that is why I feel that it's been long time, like 2 to 3, 4 months. I'm feeling like I'm stagnant somewhere.
Mhm.
So I want to improve. So I want ways from you, that how can I improve now.
Okay, so earlier when you practice for 1 hour, 2 hours, you're saying, so what's your strategy? What do you do at that time?
Same things like topic discussion, sometime one-on-one discussion, whatever actually, this kind of things. Nowadays, I'm focusing only like multiple topics they bring. Sometime I bring, they brought, sometime I brought. Like this, we having conversation like this. Otherwise, general conversation also we had. So these things, nothing else.
Okay, see, I tell you how you can improve your speaking. You can improve your speaking because for speaking, you need thoughts, right? Only then you can speak. Without thoughts, you cannot speak. And for
Hmm.
thoughts, your thoughts need to be in English, not in your mother language. So you are
Hmm.
bringing your thoughts in your mother language and you want to speak in English, that won't be possible. So try
Yeah.
to fix up your thoughts in English,
Hmm.
and then you will see an automatic change in your speech. Because, see,
Yeah.
to speak in English, as you mentioned, sometimes you have some time restrictions also, so you need a partner. Yeah, but to
Hmm.
think in English, you don't have any restriction. You can speak like anything, like anytime, anywhere, even in your dreams, you think in English. Yeah.
Exactly.
So start
Exactly.
thinking in English. And that is a long process because what happens sometimes people say, ma'am, we started, but then we switch to our mother language. It happens because see, from your childhood till whatever is your age, you're speaking in some pattern. So to change it, you need at least 5 to 6 months. So for regular
Exactly.
5 to 6 months, keep on following the same pattern that you just the follow the same pattern for 3 to 6 months that think in English because the more you will think in English, the better you will become. And if you struggle anywhere, anything you don't know in English, then you can always Google. Nowadays,
Hmm.
ChatGPT is our best friend for everybody of us. Yeah, so you can
Exactly.
even ask ChatGPT also.
Hmm.
So
I'm
this is
doing
the
that.
way you can follow.
Yeah. I try to think in English all the time.
Okay, that is good. So if you're thinking in English, then it's really going to. Second thing, what you can do is to see the change. It is that start following one person at a time. Suppose you are watching videos on YouTube. So don't watch 10, 20 YouTubers. Watch one YouTuber 10 times. Watch one video 10 times. Suppose if it's our conversation
Hmm.
video, you watch the same video 10 times rather than
Hmm.
watching 10 other videos. Because what happens when we repeat the similar stuff, we improve. And what
Exactly.
happens when we keep on switching, when you keep on changing the channels, your mind is not like fixed on one thing. So make
Exactly.
it as a fixed thing that fixed on one person for at least 3 to 4 months. Even before your call, I had one conversation. So I was suggesting the same to that person also. But fix on one person at a time for one YouTuber at least for 3 to 4 months. Because once you will fix, you will understand the pattern of speaking, you will understand body language. These things play a very important role. And for you to
Exactly.
improve, when you are planning to improve, see what we are talking at the moment is only 7% of the communication. 93% is our non-verbal communication, like your body language, your facial expressions, your hand gestures. So they speak 93%. So why you want to work on 7%? Work on 93% more.
True,
Yeah,
true, man.
try to use your
Absolutely right.
hands, try to use your body
Exactly.
language because see, when we are connecting online, only this much portion is visible. So in
Yeah.
that also try to use your hands deliberately, your eye, raise your eyebrows, just see the how you can use your cheeks, chin, your body language. Like sometimes you shrug your shoulders. So in this way, you
Hmm.
can improve yourself and you will see a difference because what happened? Some pattern you are following. Now that pattern has become your habit. So you are wondering, I'm not changing. Now you have to break that pattern and try something else. When you will try something else, you will surely change. So, number one thing, think in English all the time. No matter. Even if you start thinking in your mother language, that is okay. Take it easy. Your only goal is to think for another 5 to 6 months. And after that,
Hmm.
you will see it will become your habit to think forever.
Ex-
And number two, it is that start using your body language. So when you will use your body language, you will see a drastic confidence in yourself.
ex-
Because what we speak, if our body also speaks the same, that is something the best communication comes up.
exactly, ma'am.
So this is what you can do. One more thing, like when you are speaking, your speed should be slow, but volume should be high. So speed
Hmm.
slow, volume high. Like some people, they speak a bit low tone. So your tone should be a bit high pitch because when we raise our tone, our confidence also raises up.
Hmm.
But when you lower your tone, your confidence is also low. So raise your tone and try to give pauses while speaking. Some people like just keep on speaking like a train is running. So take pauses that will help you to be more presentable and you will get the confidence. So practice these three things that I said. Number one, think in English all the time. Number two
Hmm.
is you have to follow one person at a time. And number three, it is volume high, speed slow. That is very important. And also your body language you should try because this is something not many people they do. They actually neglect this. But
Exactly.
speaking is only the way we are speaking is only 7% of the communication. This is not I say you can even search online. This is the research they says. So if
True,
you will
ma'am.
follow this, you will surely be seeing a drastic change.
Okay. That's amazing, ma'am. Thank you so much. I will follow those.
Yeah, welcome. And my best wishes are with you that you follow and you
Yeah.
improve a lot.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So the time you started till now, how much you feel you have improved according to you?
Yes, ma'am. I started from scratch, and you can see whatever I learned in front of you. You can observe
Okay.
whatever
So like
improvement
what's
I.
your starting? Like if you say starting from scratch, so what's your first step?
Ma'am, I started with jotting down words because I belong to my Bengali medium background. So I knew lot of vocabularies, but when I started learning that time, I thought that how many vocabularies I know, nothing's names. I started with that whatever surrounded by me, I have to know that because we are habituated to call those things in our Bengali mother tongue. So I wanted to know that I know how many names I recall. So I started with that spices, utensils, then appliances, lot of things, names I started writing down, and then I started reading. Sorry, listening. I started, I thought that might be listening will help me for speaking because I'm Bengali. So in my case, childhood time, I used to watch Hindi cartoons. So that actually helped me to speak Hindi in an intermediate level, but I can understand. So I thought that that strategy should be work in this case also. So I started I know initial 2 month I consistently listen, but what I noticed that my listening skill improved, but I couldn't speak. That same level I was not able to speak. Then I was poor at this kind of things like social media, then applications, these things. So I searched on Google that how could I get real people. So I got a lot of information from that application's name.
Mhm.
So I installed each and every application, free, paid version, everything
So
I
which
installed.
applications you tried?
Yeah, initially I started with Joestock, but it was not fruitful for me because whenever connected with people, they approached me to speak in Hindi. So I thought that no, it's not good for me. Then I shifted Ace Fluency and I started my journey with Ace Fluency application. That was a really good application for me. But what happened when I connected with people, and they, initially we introduced ourselves. They wanted to know about me, and I wasn't able to. introduce myself properly. So they got to know that she is not able to speak, and they immediately disconnected my phone. Like these things happened for few days, and I felt demotivated that how could I speak with people? People are not interested to speak with me. Then I got to know that there is a separate female queue. We can connect with them. Then I started connecting with them, and slowly, gradually, I started speaking, and now I can convey my message, my thoughts. This is my
Yes.
improvement. Yeah.
Yeah, that is great to hear. So, how many months does it take for you to reach from scratch to this level?
It's more than 1.5 year, ma'am.
That means it takes time because some people they want to do the things very quickly and
Yeah.
taking that into consideration, even I'm writing a book, How to Speak Confidently in 30 Days. So, because
Okay.
nowadays everybody wants, quick result. They feel like
Exactly.
today we start and tomorrow we have
Yeah,
improved. So,
exactly.
taking that into consideration through my experience with learners, lot of learners, I'm writing that book, considering this factor and that how you can learn quickly and you can speak very well. So, that's
Hmm.
going to bring a lot of change.
Okay. Yeah, that would be helpful for learners.
Yeah, soon I will publish. I will notify.
Yeah.
Keep checking my channel.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right. So, all the best for your future. Any other question if you have, or else we can wind up the session.
Yeah, ma'am, I want to know that are you providing online sessions as well?
Yeah, I do give online classes. I actually do
Okay.
give only online, offline, I don't give. I
Oh,
only
okay,
give
okay.
online sessions from last 10 years. Like before
Okay.
Corona, I only have students from outside India. After Corona, I do have students from India. If I say outside India, they are NRIs. So, like those who
Mm-hmm.
go from here and they just settle and they struggle in fluency. Also, I give classes for IELTS. And now, when I teach, now the overall improvement I give because nowadays just speaking English is not important. The way you
Exactly.
are speaking English matters a lot. So I just not work on the fluency, I work on overall personality development. Otherwise, you won't feel satisfied. And I believe in giving
Exactly.
results.
True, ma'am. Exactly. So
Yeah,
thank you
so
so
I
much.
teach like full time. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am. Same here. It is a really amazing session with you.
Yeah, same here. I also love to connect with you, and my best wishes are with you that you improve more and more.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, bye. It was lovely